welcome back once again. Now we will discuss about in what ways does a virtual data room helps maximizing development and licensing effort. A virtual, uh, a virtual data, a virtual data here can play a significant role in maximizing development and licensing effort in following ways. Now we are going to tell you about details. Secure document sharing. A VDR provide a secure and centralizing platform for sharing confidential documents related to development and licensing. It enables OS and control access to relevant information by authorized parties such as potential partner, investor, and licensing agent. They streamline the sharing process and ensuring that the sensitive information remain protected. Efficient due intelligence development and licensing often involved through due diligence process. VDR helps streamline this process by organizing and categorizing documents, make it easier for parties involved to review and analyze the necessary information. The ability to source, native, navigate, and collaborate within the VDR enhance the efficiency of due activities. Collaboration and communities. VDR facilities collaboration among various stakeholders involved in development and licensing effort. It provides tools, commenting, innovation, and discussion with platform enabling real-time decision-making process, minimize delays in negotiation or deal closure, version control and document management, enhance data security, protecting sensitive information in crucial development and enlisting effort. VDR provide robust security measure, string workflows by providing a centralized platform for document storage, collaboration. VDR streamline workflow associated with development and licensing effort. It reduces the physical document sharing, manual advertising tasks, and inefficient small email exchange. These may reduce error and allow teams to focus on core development and licensing activities. Accessibility and flexibility. VDR enable stakeholders to access and review documents from anywhere at any time as long as they have an internet connection. The flexibility eliminates geographical concentration and allows efficient collaboration among them. Potential partner or investor location in collaboration among terms investing overall virtual data efficient and collaborating for environmental. Thank you for watching my video.